My name is Pranav. I am from India, Bihar. I am looking for the job. Currently, I am doing the profile of the supply chain management. Account profile is there, and my age is 45 years old.
Okay, so Mr. Pranav, what is your base qualification?
I did my MBA in finance as well as the postgraduate diploma in marketing.
Okay, so basically you have done your Bachelor of Commerce,
Yeah,
then you have done PG in Business Management,
business management and MBA in
MBA
finance.
in Finance. Okay. Total, how many years of work experience you have, Mr. Pranav?
Almost more than 20 years I have got experience is there. In 16 years Gulf experience and four and a half years in Indian experience is there.
Okay. And in what type of industries you have been working, Mr.
Actually,
Pranav?
I start my career in steel plant is there, and
Okay.
I worked there for almost 4 years there. Then I got the opportunity in Middle East and working the automobile sector is there in the head office. I worked in there as a branch coordinator for 4.5 years. I looking care globally Oman account profile there. Then I got the opportunity in UAE with the Vedanta Group. And Vedanta Group basically
Mr. Pranav, here in UAE, you are working for a group of company, I believe.
yes, group of company I work.
Okay, so what is your basic profile for what you're handling there?
Actually, starting the handling in the accounts and finance department is there. Then almost 8 years after this one, company give the other opportunity to be in the supply chain management. So last 3.5 years, I am looking for the supply chain management.
Okay, so you are basically taking care of the full supply chain management, which
Yes.
includes like what? Like doing procurement.
P2P2P. So that means the procurement to up to the final delivery of the material to the customer.
Customer. Okay. Okay, so in terms of like supply chain management, what is the volume that you have been managing?
Actually, our product is the copper orders product is there, and raw material is copper. Copper is the high value amount. Average month we are dealing with 50 to 16 million of this volume of this copper raw material to the finished good is there. And as a turnover, talking about the annual turnover is there almost 500 million to 600 million turnover of the total volume we are looking to take care of this thing. In this volume, we are actually importing the cathode from the African country, and we are finishing good to deliver to the all GCC country, Australian country, Northeast America, and the Gulf countries as well is there. So looking at all this supply chain from the raw material to the finished good to the delivery of the customer end.
Full you are taking care. Okay, so that includes obviously everything like financial aspects of
Yeah,
it and
because this is international transaction is there, so LC is involved, LC or bank guarantee is involved there.
yeah.
Because and we are taking care of all this LC documents, finance instrument, all this take care of all this.
Okay, so it's like financial aspects, vendor
Yeah,
management,
sure.
quality management, invoicing,
Everything is
billing.
there, and you know this. We are listed company in our company group company is listed in the Rock Exchange and LME registered. So we are also compliant of the government follow the SOX compliance, the international compliance, visa compliance. So all this compliance we follow up there. And before we have some criteria to selection of vendors. So there are company guidelines is there. So selection of vendor. There are some criteria like ISO certified company as they are substantiality, they are following the substantiality, they have a turnover, auto turnover is there, their profile is there. We are not dealing with the traders, we are dealing with the manufacturer, we are doing the KYC form, due diligence, everything. On after this one, we can onboard of the vendors.
Okay, good. So you are also like responsible and working as an associate manager finance when you
Yeah.
are taking care
So
of monthly MIS,
yes,
cost of production, cost management,
yeah,
taking care of property, plant,
yeah,
bank reconciliations, reporting to the top management,
sure.
and intercompany, interactions,
Yes.
your audits, SOX audits, SOX audits,
Compliance.
yeah.
Because if a company registered in North Stock Exchange, you have to comply the SOX compliance.
Okay, so I see a very good blend in your profile, Mr. Pranav. Like you are also accounting ERP background person, and
Sure,
then
sir.
you have progressed in your career
Yeah.
while handling the complete supply chain management.
And now company introduced the e-auction platform is there. So recently any of the procurement value more than the 10,000, we are conduct the e-auction is there. On this basis, we can whoever is the L1 bidder, we can because this is the region of transparent in the market. We are not favor of the supplier. Transparent who is the bidder, we can place the order to him.
Okay, okay. Okay, so Mr. Pranav, are you also taking care of some like team? How many people are basically
Yeah,
reporting to you?
because six person working as a team,
Team.
and they are different areas there. Some person looking care of the stores, another
Okay.
person is procurement, another fourth person for the logistic part.
So you are solely responsible
So
for all of them and
all,
you're managing them.
sure, sir.
Okay, and what type of computer applications or
We
programs you are
have
familiar
the
with?
SAP system is there,
Okay,
and another system is we are introduced there SRM model.
okay.
So
So
there
you are
are
using SAP ERP modules
yes,
in
sir.
your company. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Pranav, like in case if some company is willing to offer you a job in supply chain management or in accounts finance department, how much notice period you will need to join another
As
company?
a company policy, 60-day notice period is there.
2 months notice you need
2
to give
months.
them. Okay, and you are negotiable on your expected salary?
Yes, sir. Because we are currently we are drawing the salaries, the
Okay,
Christmas salaries there, and as per the company norms, and we can negotiate.
you are
with them.
negotiable.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, so dear viewers, here it is the profile of Mr. Pranav. He's on a very senior management level, 19 years of work experience in UAE and Oman. He is a professional who has a blend of finance, logistics, and who can take care of your complete supply chain management internationally, locally. So if you have any vacancy for Mr. Pranav, please contact us on the WhatsApp number mentioned below in the description, and we'll be very happy to arrange one interview of Mr. Pranav in your company free of cost. Thank you so much, Mr. Pranav, for coming to gulfjobseeker.com.
Thanks for the giving opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.